This brand is from Allied Air Enterprises Inc., which is owned by Lennox International, and the units are sold in the USA through a dealer network. The 4HP15L models are basic units with all of the standard features, but the warranty is not very good. The 4HP17L models are premium units with a heating efficiency of 8.8 and a heavy-duty compressor blanket for enhanced noise control. They have a swept wing fan for sound control, but the warranty is not very good when compared to other brands. The 4HP18V models are ultimate heat pumps featuring variable speed fans and compressors. They have a heating efficiency of up to 10 HSPF, and all of their units feature quiet shift technology for much smoother and less noisy entry into the defrost mode.